very scary.
Oh my god, he went for the hop kick but didn't get off the ground.
But this time he made a pay, got his back. Oh!
Wow.
One darn, he can still close out the round.
Oh, and this time just single
Oh!
The Sean's gonna activate heat.
The thing
Oh, comeback there. The Sean showing why he is one of the best. He dashed to close it off.
right.
Wow. That's the kind of stuff we're talking about.